Add 1 tablespoon of beef jumbo and some salt to the water. That's the water I'm going to be soaking the noodles with. I'll be using the middle edge noodles. I'll be using 2 of this. This can serve 6 people. I will be soaking this for 4 minutes. Add sesame oil. For the shame, I'm going to be using this vegetable. Add little bit of shame sauce. Mix up. You just need to stir fry this for 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook it so that it won't spoil the crunchiness. The noodle has been drained, so it's time to stir fry it. I need to separate the noodles. This hard work. Add in half teaspoon of Chinese salt and mix well while you stir fry it. After 2 minutes of stir frying, I'm going to add in the vegetables and mix well. Chilli,